Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you Devil Onigiri. What is Devil Onigiri? This is a big hit from Japanese convenience store Lawson while ago. It made of no special ingredients, I would say, using only leftover ingredients, but it is so addictive that you can't stop eating as if tempted by the devil. Let's get started. You will need 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of Tenkasu, deep-fried tempura butter, which is a leftover from the tempura, half a tablespoon of Aonori seaweed, and 1 tablespoon of Mentsuyu. Please check my summer tempura video how to make Tenkasu. Toss everything nice and even. And then shape into triangle. There you have it. How easy is that? It's relatively high in calories. That's the one reason why it is called Devil Onigiri. For those who on a diet, it's not good. But it tastes so good. I like eating this rice bowl for lunch, and it consists of rice and oil. This combination keeps us longer and avoid eating snacks in the afternoon. And much better than eating French fries and milkshake. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. If you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!